Hello, welcome back to southern Sweden, where we're building a big recording studio in an even bigger old cow barn. Thank you so much for all of the lovely messages and new subscribers and everything from the last video. And I'm just in here now looking at the sad remains of that amazing day last week. This week we're building doors. We've actually already built 2 doors and we've screwed both of them up. So hopefully we've learned our lesson. This one we forgot to put a window in, so we had to cut a window in afterwards, which was not as easy as it sounds, because they have this really nice oak trim on the edge, which makes them look very beautiful. And then we built this door and it was too big. It wouldn't go in. So we've trimmed that down. Hopefully now we've learned our lesson. So the doors, I know there's a lot of very expensive studio door options out there, but I can't afford that. And I'm gonna do the same as I did in Berlin. And those doors were good for 8 years, 9 years and counting, still good as far as I know. So this is a kind of real cheap way of making extremely heavy doors for using in studios. No guarantees or promises, but this is what I did in Berlin and it worked. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's make some doors. I think Ferdy's just finishing off the last bit of our last mistake, which was making the door too big. But yes, have we learned our lesson? Only one way to find out. Those doors fit beautifully. They're level at the top. There's an even gap. So both doors, hard to show this, both doors can open and close together without touching at all. Very nice. And we're going to have some sort of little rubber seal in between and probably a covering strip. There you go. I think we have to do a little bit of work, just sanding a few spots here and there, just to kind of even it all out. But yeah, man, these doors are cool. So now, which one are we going to do next, man? That one? Okay. This is door number 7. Yeah. We've done 5, 6, 7. This is door number 7 and we think we're getting pretty good at this now. Probably going to jinx it by saying so, but let's see how quickly we can build a door. How long do you reckon, 30?
47 minutes.
Oh yeah? I was going to say 2 hours.
No. For one door? Yeah.
Completely finished?
Yeah.
47
with the hinges.
And I know with the hinges, just building the door.
Yeah.
47 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's crazy.
Okay, ready, steady, go!
Well, okay. I think 1 hour 15.
But we have to be really fast.
You think I'm gonna...
No.
Deliberately.
It's just without a break.
Yeah, okay, 47 minutes, that's the challenge. Let's see, what time is it now? It's 10:54 on the Elvin clock. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so the first thing we're doing is screwing on the long sides of the frame, making sure that everything's really nicely lined up so the door is kind of square at the end. So now, cut the end pieces. Now we're going to drill holes for the dowels. trying to cut off dowels using like a chisel or like different things, and they always split and they always look awful. And finally, the Japanese saw. It's all you need.
Right.
Now we start with the plasterboarding. First thing I'll do is seal any little gaps in here with some acoustic sealant.
Good.
And each layer of plasterboard that goes in, seal up again around the edge, so there's no air gaps in the door. Okay, filling everything up. Also a good idea to leave a decent little gap if you're going to use offcuts, so that you can really fill it up. $11.19. What was it? 53. Just the right way around. Soundproofing on the budget. Earlier selecting some pieces of oak from our little stock over there, which were cracked at the end, so we glued those about an hour ago. So they should be pretty good to go by now. So now we've got to lift it up onto these bits of wood so that we can work on the edge. I mean, that's exactly 47 minutes.
Is it?
It was 54, I think, or 53.
Great.
Okay.
But we won't do the other doors like this.
No. Nice. Are you impressed, Elsa? Yeah. Is that okay? A bit this way?
That's fine.
Yeah.
Just see.
Oh fuck. They are the wrong way around. Because they're going on the other side. So this one goes there.
Huh?
This one goes there.
Ah, okay. But there.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's just going the wrong way. Cool. We have doors. Bye, man. There's doors. Okay, so just 3 doors left. 2 up there and 1 through there. Oh, and all the glass arrived. Okay, that'll probably be next week. All right, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doors built and hung, and an 8th door built but not hung. So Monday we can finish these last 3 doors, and then we will put in the windows. So by the end of next week we should have doors and windows, which is pretty exciting. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Straight after this I'm going to film the special members only behind the scenes content. Suddenly so sunny, beautiful. So yeah, if you want to see that stuff, then you can click the little join button below to support our channel. Very much appreciated if you feel like doing that. But yeah, I will see you next week. Look after each other. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, lots of love. Goodbye.